Hello, good day. My name is Piga Jan Chris S. At ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is RA 10913 or the Anti-Distracted Driving Act. This topic is under Chapter 3 of Traffic Management and Accident Investigation with Driving. So first, ano nga ba yung ADA or the Anti-Distracted Driving Act? It is a law that prohibits a person who is driving a motor vehicle from holding and using mobile communication devices and electronic entertainment gadgets. The prohibition applies while the motor vehicle is in motion or temporarily stopped on a traffic light or an intersection. So, ipinagbabawal ng batas na ito ang paggamit ng kahit na anong mobile devices or electronic devices while you are driving. So, kahit na kayo nakastop sa traffic lights or sa intersections, hindi ka pa rin pwedeng gumamit ng mga devices na ito dahil mahati yung attention mo doon sa device at doon sa daan. Or worse, mawawala totally yung attention mo doon sa daan at maaari itong maging cause ng accident. So, what vehicles are covered by this act? This law covers both public and private vehicles. It also covers wheeled agricultural machineries, construction equipment, and other forms of conveyances such as bicycles, pedicabs, trolleys, habal-habals, kuligligs, wagons, carriages, and carts that may either be human-powered or pulled by an animal as long as the same are operated or driven in public thoroughfares, highways, or streets. So, hindi lang pala kotse yung covered dito sa act na to. Di ba yun yung common na nahuhulihan ng prohibited acts, yung paggamit ng phone while you are driving your car. So, kahit pala tractor, kuliglig, pedicab, or kahit na bisikleta, as long as dinadrive mo ito, prohibited ka pa rin sa paggamit ng mobile devices habang minamaneho mo ito. So, what does this law prohibit? Ano nga ba yung pinagbabawal ng batas na ito? Prohibited acts made while driving include but not limited to making or receiving calls, writing, sending, or reading text-based communications, playing games, watching movies, performing calculations, reading ebooks, composing messages, surfing, or browsing the internet. So, kung nagmamaneho ka, iwasan mo nang gawin itong mga bagay na ito para hindi pa ito yung maging cause ng pagka-aksidente mo. Huwag mong hinahati yung attention mo sa device at sa daan. So, what are the actions exempted from this law? So, meron pa rin palang exemption dito sa law na to. Motorists are allowed to make or take emergency calls to authorities in cases of crime, accidents, bomb or terrorist threat, fire or explosion, instances needing immediate medical attention, or when personal safety and security is compromised. So, take note, kapag emergency yung ang itatawag mo, is exempted ka dito sa law na to. Pero, kung kaya mo namang itabi yung sasakyan mo, bago ka tumawag, gawin mo dahil pwede pa rin itong maging cause na accident. So, imbis na iisa lang yung itatawag mo, madadagdagan pa dahil ikaw mismo na aksidente ka dahil nawala yung attention mo sa daan. What are the penalties? Violators will be penalized with a fine of 5,000 pesos for the first offense, 10,000 pesos for the second offense, and 15,000 pesos for the third offense, with a 3-month suspension of driver's license. So, sa unang mong offense, ang babayaran mo is 5,000. Tapos, kapag makapal ka talaga at umulit ka pa, dumalawang beses ka pa, ang magiging fine mo is 10,000 pesos, so doble na. So, kung sobrang kapal talaga ng balat mo at tumatlong ulit ka pa, ang magiging fine mo is 15,000 pesos with 3-month suspension ng lisensya mo. So, hindi ka makakapag-drive ng 3 buwan dahil nga matigas yung ulo mo. Gumagamit ka pa rin ng mobile devices habang kayo nagmamaneho. So, paano naman kung umapat ka pa? Violations incurred beyond the third offense shall be penalized with the revocation of driver's license and a fine of 20,000 pesos. So, 4 times yung fine ng first offense at mare-revoke yung lisensya mo, mawawalan na ng visa yung lisensya mo dahil nga matigas yung ulo mo at gusto mong ilagay sa panganib yung sarili mo, yung mga sakay mo at yung mga tao sa paligid mo is mawawalan ka na ng lisensya. So, kung ako sa inyo, huwag nyo nang susubukan gumamit ng mobile devices while you are driving para hindi ito yung maging cause na accidents nyo. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig at God bless.